How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video at another day, or in another day. So now we're gonna go ahead and see the accounts again. Okay, so today's first of August, the 1st of August, and we're gonna see how are the accounts and what's the progression of the accounts. As you can see, I'm gonna show it to you guys my FX book right here. So account number 1, we have 3.17 profit. Yeah, 3.17% of profit. So as you can see, the accounts are growing. Okay, this is the equity, the highest, the drawdown, the monthly payment. Just keep that in mind that July was the first month and I started midway through it, so I didn't get much profit, but still that's pretty good. All right, so let me do it fast. Let me go really fast. So as you can see, account number 1, this account's the same account that's here, okay, on my FX book, because you can check it live if you want. Now let's go to account 2. Now account 2, pretty much the same thing. We gotta wait. Actually not. So what I'm gonna do here, hold up. Wait. So open it right here. Actually, I'm gonna close this trade right here. I'm gonna close this order. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that, for this one and also this one. Let me just go check. Let me just check again. Account number 1. I'm just checking here the accounts. So this one was open yesterday. One was open yesterday as well. Okay, I gotta wait for these ones. Swapping. Look at this. The swapping is almost $1 every day for USD CAD. Okay. So let me just check it out. Let me just check something here. USD CAD. Okay. Okay. So I'm paying almost $1 a day, and for this one I'm receiving $1 a day, which helps me making up the loss of this swapping account just in case I spend too long in this trade right here. I gotta be careful with this, because for example, if I'm paying $1 a day every day and I am stuck in a trade for like 6 months, which is 180 days, I'd be literally paying $180 just off of swapping in this account. Okay, and if for example we have 365 days, I'd be paying $665. I mean $365 just in swap, let alone the trade going against me as well, which could double up the loss that I'm having. So that's why I need to take that into consideration. But yeah, let me just go ahead and continue now. So account number 2, I'm gonna wait for this one. Account number 3, let's see. For this one, I have to wait as well. Not much to do here. And there's one thing here on account number 4 that I want to show to you guys. As you can see, the average price of GBP NZD is back. So I opened the first trade right here at what is the price point? Entry price, yeah, 2.1735, and then the trade went against me. Then I placed another trade at where was it? Yeah, 214.16 to improve my average price. And what happened was the market went back and it gave me a little bit of profit. So let me see how much profit that is. Oh, sorry, I clicked on the wrong. No, not supposed to open audition. Okay, so GPNZD, NZD. So we have 176.75 less or subtracted to $65.32, more or less. We have this profit. So we have literally 1% of profit in this trade, and I'm gonna close them out right now. So I'm gonna close this one, and I'm gonna close this one right here. Now keep that in mind that I could only close the trade that is positive, giving me like $177. But then I would have the drawdown, which is not ideal. Ideally, you want to close the trades negative as well, so you can have more margin for you. Okay. In order for you to generate more profit. And let me see something else here. So, oh, another one. Wait. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do here? You know what I'm gonna do? Look at this. We have $68 plus 65, right? So we have around $133 positive here, which is more than 1%. So we could close these trades if we wanted to, even though I opened them like 2 days ago. I mean, this one was 8 days ago, and this one is 2 days ago. But the problem is, look at that swap. I just paid $10 in 8 days. Okay, so I was supposed to have even more profit if it wasn't for that swap. And this is why the swapping is so annoying. You have to be very careful with the swapping, man. That's really annoying. Let me just check it. Let me just check this. So 15 swap long is 13.75 pips on long, and short is 7.05 pips. And it's really expensive. This is why you need to take that. You need to really be careful swaps, okay? Because a lot of the times, for example, if I'm paying $10 of swap in 8 days, in 80 days, like that would be like 10 times more. You know, in 80 days, like what, 3 months, 2 point something months, and in 6 months that could be way more, and in 1 year that could be way more, in 2 years. Of course, I am being very negative, and I'm talking about like the worst case scenario. But if you're not really thinking about all the scenarios, especially the bad ones, then you're probably not gonna last too long on the market, because you have to think about the worst. Even though it's like chaos theory or whatever, you need to make sure that you take that into consideration, because it's very easy for me to buy a market at a certain price point or entry price, and then the market goes in my favor. So for example, I buy and the chart goes up and the market goes up, or I sell and the market goes down, and then I profit off of it. That's very easy. Everyone can do this. A 5-year-old kid can do this. But the real problem is, and the real difference between, I think, boy and man, you know, or girl and woman, is what are you gonna do when the market goes against you? You know, that really separates. I think that is the thing that really separates the boy from the man, and the girl from the woman. And that's what you would do. You know, that's kind of what we're trying to learn here. Okay, what to do when the market goes against us. So we try to find ways to save this account or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do is, because I want to close, I want to increase my proportional lot size and decrease the amount of lot size that I open. I'm gonna close both trades. Okay, so I have more than 1% of trades as well. I mean a profit as well. I'm sorry. And let's see what's gonna happen. So as you can see, this account is already positive. That's account number 4. So yeah, that's account number 4. Account number 3. There's account number 3. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna wait as well. I don't know how long, but I'm gonna wait. You know what? Let me go to X Station. Let's go. Let's see. Let me see now. Which one? CD. Mm. Okay, so I'm gonna buy Euro NOK. Let me just check something right here. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna sell Euro CAD. Mm. Mm. Let's check it now. No CHF. I'm gonna try and skip CHF. Hold up, guys. I'm just trying to analyze what I'm gonna do. I think I might sell GBP AUD. So let me sell GBP AUD. GBP. Hold up. Oh yeah, GBP AUD. No. No, yeah, GBP AUD. Let me sell it. Okay, that was it. Margin at 6,000% on three trades at the same time, which is really good. Yeah, on account number 4. Now let's go up to account number 5. This one, I'm gonna wait for this one. Account number 6. I'm gonna wait for account number 6 too. Unfortunately, there's nothing much to do here other than wait. Okay, at least I'm receiving money on swap rather than paying money. Yeah, I'm receiving commission rather than paying it. Account number 7. Okay. Okay, so I opened that yesterday and it's already positive $54, but still I'm gonna wait a little more. And that was open yesterday too. So yeah, I might wait a little longer. Account number 8. Oh yeah, also margin levels at 6,000%. Okay, this one's at 3,000%. Account number 8. GPNZD as well. Actually, what I'm gonna do here, I am just gonna close this trade because it's literally at break-even point. So because I closed this trade like a week ago and I had no profit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna literally close this trade and I'm gonna go to break even point. So as you can see, I am not gonna be getting any profit because I closed a negative trade and a positive one. Of course, I am negative like $2 or 1 point something here, but there's no problem. Like this is like break even point to me. And that's literally what I'm gonna do. So the way I trade, I could change it though, but like the way I trade is every time a trade goes against me already, I close it at break even point, and I literally only profit off profit off the trades that goes against me, which is 50% off their times. And this is why I have an average winning rate of 50%. Because you can kind of manipulate the winning rate of your strategy depending on how you open it, and more likely how you close the trades. I mean, if you can have a 99.9% of winning rate if you never close a negative trade. And for example, if every single trade that you open, you wait for it to go back to break even point and you never close it until it goes back again, even if it takes like months or even years, then you can have a 99.9% of winning rate. But that does not necessarily mean that you're going to make money on the end of the month, because winning rate can be manipulated by how you close your trades. But this doesn't guarantee you if you're going to make money or not. Okay, that's just a metrical thing, but it really doesn't show you, it doesn't like justify if you're going to have profit or not by the end of the month. Okay. So let's go up to account number 9 now. Actually, I wanted to open another trade here. Genau. CAD. Okay. Chimpanzee. Okay, let me I don't know, man. Okay, I'm gonna sell it, whatever. Let me sell it here. 10. Okay, let's go up to account number 9 now. Oh yeah, by the way, let me check the margin level. You have to always look at the margin level. 4,600%. Good. Now account number 9. Okay. You know, I think I'm gonna close this trade right here just because I wanted to finish this month a little bit more positive. And the lot size is wrong as well. It's not 0.10, it's 0.13, which is wrong. Okay, so I am going to close this trade right here just so we have more margin again. So we received 6.20 in swap and also 75.2 in net profit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click to close. $75 positive. Ooh, good. And that's our first trade positive in this account right here on account number 9. Let's go up and see. So as you can see, account 9. Okay, is that the account? Let me see. Ah, yeah, that's why. Ah, okay. Now, actually, this account was positive already, so that's no problem. Okay. From now on, I am gonna close trades with at least $100. Okay, I'm not gonna accept close trades below $100. So that's account number 9. Good. So USD and okay. Okay. All right. If the swap's too expensive here, then I might close this trade the next day, and just so we can open another trade, because I want to maintain majors and minors currencies, which are cheap, which has a low volatility movement of a daily average movement of the market, and also a small commission or small swap rather than paying more swap. Okay, I'm trying to play it safe here. And also, margin levels at 6,000%. Good. Account number 10. Account number 10 is the worst, though. Okay, let me see something. Okay, so GBP AUD. Ah, okay, no. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait for this one. Euro CAD. When did I open it? So I opened this trade right here. Euro CAD in 17th of July, and the market went against me, and now it's back at break-even point. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this trade just so I can free up margin, because I'm trying to free up margin here. Your NZD. Also, I need to wait until it goes back to break-even point. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wait. So instead of opening more trades in this account, because I only have 3,000% of margin, and I'm using a wrong proportional lot size. I'm using 0.13 here, and I'm supposed to be using 0.10 on each one of these trades. So I am actually more. I am 3, 6, 9, 12. I'm using 0.12. I mean, almost, yeah, 0.12. Or yeah, exactly. 0.12 lot sizing, way above of my proportional lot size. So that's wrong. Okay, so I gotta wait. So rather than opening another trade, I'm gonna wait to maintain the margin level, see what's gonna happen. If the market goes back, or if your NZD goes back to break-even point, I might even get some profit off of it, and then I'll restart it. And if if I spend too long here, like more than 2 weeks or whatever, or a whole month here, nothing happens, what I'm gonna do is, depending on the margin level, I'm gonna open another trade and keep on continuing our series. But as you can see, guys, that was today's analysis. Okay, so I know it was a little large and long. I don't even know how long this video is. How long is this video? 24 minutes. Okay, that wasn't really much. Okay, but that was today's analysis on the 10 accounts. As you can see, these are all the results of these accounts. Okay, you can see account number 1 from 1 to 10. I'm gonna put the link down below for my FX book, so you can see the progression of the account, so you can learn how I trade, the way I do it, how I come around it, if there was any withdrawal, if there was any deposited in the account, and if there was any deposits, I'll let you know why. Okay, and even though these are demo accounts, we are training the strategy that we're gonna use on our real life accounts. Okay, and I hope you like some of it. Okay. If you do have any questions or anything to tell me, let me know in the comment section, okay? And also, I'm gonna put the link to one of the brokers that I use, which has CTrader on it, because there are many brokers. There's MT4, MT5. There are many brokers that you can use, but currently I'm using CTrader because not only do you have desktop version but you also have mobile version, and I think it's more intuitive than MT4, at least for now. MT4 is great, amazing. I use it. I use it too, but as of for these videos on YouTube, I'm using specifically CTrader. Okay, but other than that, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and stay tuned because we're gonna learn a lot about forex trading. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.